Hello friends, welcome to the Chemistry Plan. Now let's discuss about the DRDO DMRL recruitment 2020. Okay, Defense Research and Development Organization, Defense Metallurgical Research Laboratory DMRL. Online entry for the award of Junior Research Fellowship or Research Associate. Okay, Defense Metallurgical Research Laboratory DMRL was established at Hyderabad in 1963 to meet the need of complex material for modern defense application, with a mission to develop advanced material, innovative process technology, and related product engineering, supported by basics and applied research. The vision of DMRL is to be center of excellence for providing the total material solution for defense systems. DMRL invite application for the position of 18 GRF and 3 RA position, that is research associate. Application are invited from candidate possessing the following qualifications. Okay. Now the 1 GRA position for the chemistry. Essential qualification is MSc in chemistry with first division. Desirable qualification, preference shall be given to those who are UGC or CSR NET or GATE qualified. Number of position is 1. And also the GRA position for the metallurgy or material science. Total post is 13, and for the physics 1 post. Desirable qualification is MSc in physics with first division. Desirable qualification is preference shall be given to those who are UGC or CSR NET or GATE qualified. Okay. Now let's move towards the RA position. Now the 1 RA position for the MSc with first division with 3-year experience or PhD in chemistry. Now for further detail and application form, log on to the what is new in www.drdo.gov.in. Now the general conditions. Eligible candidates application in specified program as per the annexure 2nd DRDO website, and along with the scan copies required certificate or testimonial, community certificate or degree may be sent to the email admin@dmrl.drdo.in on or before 2 January 2021. Okay, the procedure, time and data of interview for the selection of candidate will be informed in due course by email and SMS. No TADA will be paid for attending interview or for joining if selected. The candidate will be required to produce certificate or testimonial in original and one set of attested photocopies at the time of interview. Fellowship emolument 31,000 per month for the GRF and 54,000 per month for the research associate with applied HRA and medicinal facilities are applicable as per the rules. Okay. Tenure for the position. For the GRF position, the post is temporary and maximum tenure is 5 years. The initial tenure will be 2 years and will subsequently elevated to the SRF for the remaining 3 years, subject to satisfactory performance to be assessed as per the DRDO guidelines. For the RA position, the post is temporary and maximum tenure is 2 years. Age limit. The age limit for the GRF and RA position is maximum 28 years and 35 years. For the GRF 28 years and for RA position is maximum 35 years respectively, as on the date of the interview. The age is relaxable by 5 years for the SC or ST candidate and 3 years for the OBC candidate. Okay. Only candidate who are completed the course and awarded the degree of provisional certificate are eligible to apply for the GRF position. Now they are given the other general information. Okay, this is all about the position for the GRF and RA positions at Defense Metallurgical Research Laboratory. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Chemistry Reply. Thank you. Thank you for watching video.